Anyway, guys, you are welcome to today's trade ideas and signal. Last week, I was unable to give a full follow-up trade ideas because number one, we've already analyzed where we are anticipating and expecting price from, and at the same time, we are waiting and uh, not fully observing the something, but at least sideways. I'm looking at potential level where we can actually take trades from. But nonetheless, I've seen that okay, the market is not providing any opportunity yet, apart from the levels that we've highlighted. So I deliberately just let the market be and try to kind of see where we can. And I'm moving into a new office, and that's the reason why I did not settle down to do further analysis throughout last week. And here we are in the market. We discussed this particular OB and this OB. Then I talked about how we are stuck within this high and this low within the market with the internal, I mean, with consolidation, ranging markets. And I also discussed the reason why we should be expecting either this high or this low to be broken and closed above before we can continue with the market or reverse with the market. So here we are, and throughout last week we see, or even on daily, our market close was able to close above this high that we have indicated, and we've broken above the consolidation that we find ourselves in. And I'm trying to see and analyzing from the level and from what I've said initially that whichever side was broken and closed above will be the direction in which we will continue to flow with the market. And here we are. Our price has closed above this level, even though we've been calculating and thinking that maybe price is going to close below. But with a lot of things that are happening here and there around the world with the war and everything, we can see that dollar is somehow losing its value and other currencies are gaining strength in the markets. And here we are, we've closed above the level, and where we'll be anticipating price to react from continuously is all these levels that I've highlighted here. And because of time, and I'm limited to 3 minutes, so I won't be wasting much time. I'll just try and indicate this is a larger scale, something from daily, and we're expecting that level, another level here, and we have other two positions that we can be expecting on This is daily level. I've gone beyond the 3 minutes that I'm working toward. So we have this level here, this massive level on daily. We have this level. Okay, let's do it this way. Let's go analyze something and try to see what price is doing, so that at least from there we'll be able to kind of know what we have in the market. So here we are in the market. I've gone beyond the 3 minutes, so I'll continue. Continue, mind you. So here we are in the market. We've closed above this high, and at the same time, if we check, we see that price has created a shift in the market, and this happens to be a market structure shift, a major one for that matter, a major market structure shift, and we can see that here was broken above and closed above, and that happens to be our weak eye. But what we're going to term that is major structure break, and as you can see, it's a major structure break. Then automatically we have to establish our strong low, which we'll be expecting price to protect, and our weak eye, where we'll be expecting liquidity to be taken. So that this happens to be on daily. And if we are to establish our daily range, it will be from this level to this level here. And as we can see, we have um, we have this other block, this particular level here, to be aligning perfectly with our what is it called, with the 50% of our dealing range. So if we are to be dealing from this level, we kind of try to see where price can react from. As you can see on 4 hour from this level, even though our analysis was purely right, as you can see, we are anticipating to buy from this level. But what do we see? We can see that this internal structure that we have above this level stop price from growing lower, and it give us a massive reaction from that level, which is somehow, because personally I wasn't expecting that this level to be holding this much, and it give us a very very massive reaction. I saw it, but I was thinking that it might not be enough to hold this kind of something. And because of the fact that we have this other block that was created with this shift from this level, then automatically we can have this level being traded into. But reacting from the level and coming back straight to something, I even saw this level last week, but because we did not close above this level and there is no proper something from within this leg. That's the reason why I did not even take this particular leg. And mind you, we are trading within this OB. So until the OB was transcended, it was then that I started looking at all these levels here. So here we are in the market. We've identified our major OB of the something. This is the dealing range, the 50% of the dealing range, and from below this 50% is where we'll be looking to buy from. And mind you, the first level is this mitigation block, is a mitigation block combined with the OB, and this happens to be our major buying point in the market. So this is the level we can be buying from on daily. So we're just going to kind of like you know, take the whole something, take the whole level to be our trading range. So anything that happen from this level, but we can be confident enough because of what we have here to buy from within this level. And as you can see, the reaction we have from this level, and it's not even up to this high. So this will be a very long something, a very long term trade. And positioning trading, we are positioning ourselves to be at that particular level. So coming to 4 hour, we can see this internal structure here on daily. It is an internal structure on daily. It's on 4 hour, it happens to be what is it called? Another block, but it's not a pure one, but at least we understand that is a level we can be expecting some kind of reaction from subsequently. So if peradventure price was able to come back into this level, take this level into the highs, then we are already in the trade. But if price decide to come even lower in the market, then can be buying another level from this internal structure that we have here. So that happens to be another level. Let me take out these two levels so that at least we'll be able to talk about other ones. Then we have this internal structure which can be serving as a reclaim OB for this particular OB here. As you can see, but if we go on 15 minutes or lower time frame, we see a proper mitigation of all these levels to this point on lower time frame. Then we have another level here. So which means our internals, I mean our reclaim this level is going to become our reclaim order block in the markets. So it's going to be a reclaim order block, as you can see, because price just transcend above it and continue to soar into the highs. So having this level here, we have a proper mitigation of the level. And the reason why I'm entering from this level is because of one block on 15 minutes, and because of the proper mitigation to that particular level. But I will rather take it from this level I've indicated here, this particular level, so that at least we'll be able to kind of continue with the market. But my stop loss is going to be below this internal structure here, because this internal structure already reclaimed this other block as far as we are concerned. But nonetheless, this internal structure is going to be the stop loss for um, this particular trade that we have. So how many trades have we gotten? This is one, two, and this is three in the market. Yes, I have this internal structure that is aligning perfectly. Let me remove this one. That is aligning perfectly with this level here. So I guess that will be all, at least for now. Have a lovely and a profitable day. God bless us all. Amen.